Are you all set?
I am set.
Be energetic, okay? And just convert your mode. Enter in the mode of angry. Just change your mode. Imagine that you know that you have to scold to the people, okay? The students, those are sitting before you, and that time you will not imagine that these are the people sitting are you. The students are sitting before you. You will imagine that the persons are sitting, not even one person. You will see that that person, even then there is one person. Suppose that एक ही person है, but आप सोचो कि ये एक ही व्यक्ति इतने सारे रूप में बैठा हुआ है, राइट? एंड आपको फिर यहाँ पे आकर के स्कोल्ड करना है. So once again, tell me, are you all set?
I am set.
Are you all set?
I am all set.
Stop your smiling today. You don't need to smile. Are you all set?
I am all set.
Are you all set?
I am all set.
Be angry. Are you all set?
I am all set.
Are you all set?
I am all set.
That's great. Who will come first? Tell me. I am clubbing.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
How are you doing?
I'm doing great. Thank you. And you?
I'm also doing great.
Change your
My
mode.
name is
Change it.
Faisal
Yes,
Khalid.
change your mode. Starting in this starting. Come on. Yes.
Start कर दो.
Starting से अपना मोड चेंज कर लो. ठीक है. स्पीच वगैरह
My-
दे रहे हो तो भी.
My
Come on.
name is
Yes.
my name is Faisal Khalid,
Yeah.
and I would like to thanks my respected sir for giving me an opportunity to express my story, aggressive story on the topic of you are the reason. So could I start?
Of course.
Okay. Life hits harder than we could ever imagine, and you are the reason. I gave 8 years of my life,
Yeah.
8 long years,
Hand out of hand out.
8 long years, 8 long years of love, 8 long years of care, 8 long years of sacrifices.
Come on. Yes.
But you broke it all. You broke it all in just one moment. You broke it all with just one decision.
No, laugh.
One decision.
Be serious. Control your emotions.
You broke it all in just one decision.
Yeah, yeah. Hand.
When I was with you, I was happy. I was at peace. But you left me. You left me. No calls, no messages, even no explanations. Just you gave me just one thing: silence. My nights were sleepless. I was taking sleeping pills just to close my eyes. Even I stayed in rehabilitation center for many days just to trying to heal myself. But what you did? What you did? You got married with someone else. You got married with someone else. We became someone else forever. When I was drowning in your fake promises, I gave you everything. I gave you my happiness. I gave you my even self-respect. I gave you everything. Because of you, I lost my peace. Because of you, I lost my sleep. Because of you, I even lost myself. But what you thought? I would beg for you. Hey, listen. I built myself. I built myself without you. And today I am here not as a weak man, but someone stronger than ever. Listen. You listen. I am talking to you. Listen me. Yes, I am talking to you. People like you may hurt me. People like you may leave me, but I know how to come rise again. I moved on and I bounced back. That's all from my side.
Oh, good.
What are you thinking? Will you never become an ground staff? I can become that. I will you prove it. No matter how much anyone tries to stop me.
Yes.
Your height, neither you have height,
Hmm.
nor your personality, nor your English are good. I prove it. How dare you? How dare you judge me?
Yes. Come on. Yeah.
How dare you judge me? You are my parents.
Hmm.
You are my family. You are married now. You are married now. You are married now. After dreaming, you are married now. Stop your dreaming. How dare you?
Yes.
Dreaming does not stop after married. Dreaming seen and they are also fulfilled. You are crazy, does not understand anything. Yes, I may be crazy, but I will fulfill this dream. I will show you. I promised you. I will show you. I promised you. Wait for the time. Wait for the time and I will show you. I will show you this dream success. I will show you. I will show you this dream success. This is my promise to you. Wait for the time. I will show you. I will show you success. I will show you success. This is my promise to you. When I come to Lucknow, when I was come to Lucknow, but that time could not reply because
Be angry. Be angry. Be some more angry. Come on.
because
Yes.
I not proof. I not proof, but
Come on, come on. Angry, angry, angry,
But-
angry.
but I had taken admission in your world. But my brother called me. My brother called me. My brother called me. Said to me, you cannot anything. But I can do it. But I can do it. I believe myself. I believe myself. Who are you to judging me? Who are you to judging me? But who are you to judging me? But that time support me. That time support me. So you can't stop me. Don't try. Don't try. Can't stop me. For following my voice again. I otherwise I will answer you. You not Hindi. Answer in English. Answer you English. So don't stop me. That's all.
I'm angry with you. I am getting angry. ऐसे.
Hands को use
moment.
करो, right? हाँ.
I'm angry with you. I'm getting angry. Do not make me angry. Why are you getting angry? You are bothering with you. Do not misbehave with me. Do not misbehave with me. You do not know who I am. I will show you. I will prove it. Do not know, prove him. Do not know, provoke him. I can speak English. You cannot speak English. You do not touch my body. I kill you. Stop getting nonsense. Stop getting foolish. Are you mad? Are you getting foolish? You cannot speak English. I can prove it. I can speak English. I came to American Delhi. You cannot come to American Delhi. Attend the class. I go to the Hazratganj on foot. You cannot go to Hazratganj on foot. That's all.
I am building on the house. I'm only doing work in the home. I'm not able to earning money. I can earn money outside. I prove it. I will show you standing on my feet. I will prove it. I can do it. Anything. Who are you judge me? How dare you? You will not able to with compare me. I can do it, and I am speaking English daily.
Come on, yes, yes, yes.
I learn speaking English daily. Uh, I'm not burden on the house because
Anger, 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 angry, angry. Come on.
I'm not burden on the house. I told you I'm standing on my feet
Good.
because your thinking is wrong. You are not you're not able to down staff. You are not able to speak English. Kevin, anything. I'm able. I'm able. I can do it. I will prove. I will show you. Join American Institute, and I daily learning speaking English. I will prove it. I can do it. I can everything. Can do it. That's all.
When I was in 10th standard, a boy who disturbed me. Because of him, I spent 6 to 7 months living with fear. But not once. He bothered me twice and thrice. Because of him, you started blaming me. You start abusing me. You start insulting me and disparaging my neighbors and parents. But that time I couldn't fight with you, and I did not how to handle this situation. That time my parents fought with you and him again and again. But now I have a question to you, and now tell me, if you can't give me food, if you can't give me clothes, if you can't support me, if you can't give me everything whatever I need you, if you can't me support, if you can't raise voice against this, so who are you to destroy my life and judging me and judging my character? But that time I couldn't respond you. But now I change, and I gain courage. Now that time I was thinking, if sometime I go to college, I go to institute, and suddenly accidentally you seems me before him, house before him, so you start blaming, you start insulting me. But now I will change totally, and now it does not matter me whatever you think about me, and I don't care. Now I don't need to a single help of any parents and like you and him, because now I can reply you, I can fight with you, I can give you answer again and again, I can fight for myself. Now every day I go to college, before him house, before front of him, and no one here who can say a single words for this. No one here who don't dare to judge my character, because now I can reply you. And even then, whenever he faces me now, he looks down, because he know now I can reply, I can fight. And I have an advice to you. Before disparaging, insulting of any girl without any proof, you think about your mother, your sister. That's all.
I am angry on one police officer. Could
These,
I
these
start?
are the police officers. Assume that these are the police officers. Okay. Yes.
Could I start?
Of course.
I was sitting in a peacefully protest where one police officer grabbed me. I told him, "How dare you touch me? You have no right to take me away. I know you are acting the under of this government, but you remember, power is temporary and truth is permanent. Uh, uh, Today we are on the road, but you remember, tomorrow we will on the power, and that day are come. I see you and this government. Thank you."
I was born, but no one can happy because I am a girl, and I'm I'm feel very I feel very sad and very nervous. I'm a girl, and my family also treated me like, yes, you are a girl, so no one can understand you, no one can chase you, and ever. So, and my mother is always supporting me. but no man, but all family members always blaming me, you are a girl, but you don't go anywhere without taking any permission, and you don't do any work without taking any permission. All time boundaries and all the things I'm facing the problem. How dare you
Yes.
to judge me, and how dare you to control myself?
Hmm.
I am a girl and I'm very happy. I'm a girl. Who are you? You are my parents. I know you are my parents, but you don't have rights. I'm a girl or boy. You don't judge me overall. But uh, and uh, and don't make a boundaries to me. I'm not your toy or anything. I'm a girl and I proudly say that this thing kya, I'm a girl, I can do anything which I want. I can anything which I want, and I'm very happy I'm a girl. That's all for my side.
So, firstly, I would like to appreciate Sir for giving me this chance to vent my anger out in front of you all today. Since childhood, I have heard this one thing always, which echoes in my head like constant reminders that you will be like him. He has not achieved anything. You will not achieve anything in your life. So let me tell you today, I will achieve everything I have dreamt of. I will achieve everything that he has dreamt, but he has not achieved in life. I respect him a lot, but he has not achieved. That does not mean I will not achieve anything. My destiny is not written like him. He has not achieved.
So more anger.
He has not achieved anything, but that does not write my destiny. I will write my destiny. I am my own person. I have my own strengths, my own beliefs, my own dreams, and I will fulfill each one of them because I have the determination. I have
Anger. Come on.
I have the resilience to achieve all of my dreams, and I will one day. And when I will achieve all those dreams, I will be proud of myself because I will not only achieve my dreams but his also.
I loved you. I loved you more. मतलब I cared you. Sorry.
So okay. Yeah. Come on.
I fought my parents. I fought my family for you. Then I married you. So why you cheated me? Why? Why you cheated me? I gave you wonderful life. I gave you wonderful family. I gave you wonderful wife. I'm a wonderful wife. But why? Why give me you this life? Why? After marriage, I wanted to standing on my feet. I wanted earn money for me. I wanted do something for me. But why you uh, but why you do not supporting me? Why do not support me? And I could not fight with you that time. I could not fight with you. I could not answer you because I have no words. Uh, and you're always cheater. You're always cheater. You're now cheater. You're cheater. I hate you now. Sorry, but I hate you. I really hate you. But now I'm here. I'm standing, and I leave you. I leave you because am I can't do this. I can do this. I can feed my baby. I can teach my baby. I can do everything. Every woman do everything. Every woman. So please don't scared. Don't be nervous. Every woman can do everything. I'm a student also. I'm uh, working also. I'm standing here. Uh, and my learning skills are developing. I know I'm developing. I'm always develop. I want develop, and I know I will do best. I will do everything. Every woman do everything. Don't stop me. You can't stop me. You are a loser. I am not loser because you can't nothing. So you think I am also do nothing. I am everything. I do everything. And I'm done because I am earning in my office. I'm when I am going my office, my colleague are respecting me. Are I matlab, everyone are focus me. Everyone are listening me because I am woman and I am always hardworking. I'm always hardworking. That's all. And you also can do this.
Will you assume? Will you assume? Will you assume? Do you think that there's need to assume? Do you think that? No, there's no need to assume. And award goes to another Diane, Mr. Muhammad Faisal Khan. Well done, Faisal. Well done. Very well done. Well done. Once again, clapping for